So I'm going to try and show you how the boost function works on the EPH CP4 thermostat, programmable wireless thermostat. So basically we've got a screen here. It will work on auto or it will work on manual auto. So we'll just stick it on manual for example. At the moment we press the boost button and that will boost it for half hour with one press. Press it again. That's that's an hour boost. Press it again. 2 hour boost. Press it again. 3 hour boost. Press it again. Resets, so there's no boost. So we want it on for 2 hours, so we press it 1, 2, 3 for 2 hours. We press OK, and then we set what temperature we want to boost it to. So at the moment it's 24 degrees, but I want it to boost to 25 degrees. Press OK, and then we see flame symbol comes on. It's telling the boiler or the receiver we want heating. So that will boost now for 2 hours. So it's saying 212. And to cancel that, we can press boost once, and that cancels it completely. And then that turns off the boost too. So I hope that helps. Any questions on that, leave a comment and I'll do my best to help.